Here we are in Milton Keynes, doing some pressure washing. We've covered this lovely little furry bunny rabbit up. We've not put treatment down the bottom and only on the top. As you see, it's quite heavily ingrained here.
What if I told you the secret to building a successful business wasn't about what Matt charged, but what he literally gave away? For a long time, Matt practically gave away free cleans to his existing customers. Sounds like a terrible business model, right? But it wasn't. It was born from a very clear vision, or maybe just a skill most people miss entirely. He poured his time, his service into it, for nothing, offering genuine incentives, unwavering transparency, and yes, the aggressively affordable pricing, all while sticking to professional cleaning standards and some old-school, practical but wild ethics. You see, Matt started with nothing. For 2 years, his transport for ladders and tools, a shopping trolley. He walked miles upon miles, day after day, just to get a foothold, just to get ahead. When you're truly working from absolute zero, with nothing to lose, and you're willing to simply work for food, that changes a man. It forges a life experience. It creates an appeal many simply can't resist. Now, Shining Windows gets 500,000 website visits every single month. Yeah, some are bots, but many are real people, people who don't book. Why? Because we're not usually available within a 2-week booking schedule. Being fully booked isn't about a lack of clients or a struggling market. It's simply because there's only one Matt, and this throws people in our impulsive society, the kind where every second actually counts. But Matt counts seconds. He also counts in minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, years. He values time, effort, high energy, and raw hard work above all else. He's seen too many people he once held close not make it, and he reminds himself he would go through it all again, without his legs, his heart, or his soul, just to give himself another chance, one day, when the time is right. So here he is, halfway. Matt's been half-masked, half-cut, half-left. And somehow he's all right now. He's half full, always halfway there, maybe a bit half-cocked. But he's not cutting corners. It's not half bad, this life. 6 of one, half a dozen of the other often feels like time and a half. Just keep half an eye on Matt, always. You don't believe me? Just read the reviews. The pure, unadulterated replies this company provides? Sensational. If Ofsted reviewed window cleaners, Shining Windows would get outstanding. Well, else the pressure washing done and dusted. And as quick as Matt arrived, he ran away with the payment, proclaiming freedom. Thanks for watching this drama unfold. More to come, folks. I honestly can't wait to see the reviews documentary. Matt has quite literally drawn back the curtains. Faces and everything. Gasp! But not everything in life is that easy. While Matt has certainly done well, his health hasn't always followed suit. And believe it or not, his success has created haters. This window cleaner, branded with excellence, still finds it astonishing that these haters will visit his website. They send narcissistic messages, calling Matt a scam. Immediately they're blocked from the website's interactive functions, temporarily. But this one time they visited the blog, and they found an old post titled, "The Digital Narcissism Epidemic, a deep dive into the impact of online media on self-obsession." That particular visitor, who stayed for 13 minutes and 33 seconds, read the entire blog, and immediately left the website. Matt considered that a personal score, Matt 1, narcissist 0. Have a great day, everyone. Be yourself. At least people will see you coming a mile off. The end. Have a great day. Be good.